Hey guys, it's Chloe and welcome back to my channel. So today I have the first video in my hashtag Chloe's Cozy Christmas series. So if you didn't know, I have been doing this Christmas series ever since 2014. So I have so many Christmas videos for you guys to watch down below in the hashtag Chloe's Cozy Christmas playlist. Today's video is going to be a DIY Christmas ornament video. The first two ornaments I have to show you guys I came up with all by myself, and then the last one I pulled inspiration from Pinterest, but I didn't copy exactly what they were doing. I made it kind of more cute. But all three of these DIY ornaments are super simple, very affordable. Some of these things you might even have in your home decor collection already, so you might not even have to go out and buy anything. I was just so inspired, and these really cute ornaments are perfect for gifts. And if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, I'm Chloe. I make girly beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So I would invite you to click that subscribe button if you're new. With that said, I hope you all enjoy, and let's get right into the video. So the first DIY ornament that I'm showing you guys how to make are these flowers in water. So to start off, the materials you're going to need are some clear round ornaments, flowers. I picked these frosty pink hydrangeas, thick light blue sheer ribbon for the water, thin light green ribbon, and that's to hang up your ornament, and then you're going to need some tools, so hot glue gun, scissors, and a pencil. So I'm starting off by removing the top portion of my clear ornaments, and then I'm grabbing my stalk of flowers. So the reason that I picked hydrangeas is because they come in bunches, so I'm just choosing my favorite bunch and cutting it right off the stalk. Then I'm taking my ornament and I'm filling it up with the blue sheer ribbon. So we're creating the water effect for the flowers to sit in this fake water. It's really up to you how much ribbon you want to put in your ornament, but once you're done, you're just going to snip the end and push it all inside the ornament. Now I'm grabbing my hot glue gun and gluing around the opening of the ornament, and then you're just going to want to grab your flower bunch and stick it right in the hot glue. Just make sure you get enough on there and your flowers should stay right in place. So this green ribbon is what's going to hang your ornament, and I chose green because I thought it looked like flower leaves, a flower stem. So I'm starting off by gluing it right in the back center of my ornament. So that's going to be your first glue down. And then, as you can see, I'm folding up the two sides of the ribbon to the top of the ornament, and you're going to glue down each side one by one. So this is creating a strong base for your ornament to hang. The reason I glued in the middle first was so it wouldn't hang forward, and then the reason that I'm gluing up top now is so it will hang straight. And the reason that I asked you guys to grab a pencil in the beginning is so you can use it to push this ribbon into the hot glue without hurting your fingers or ruining your nails. So now that your ribbon is glued down to the back of your ornament, you're going to pull it to the center of the flower bunch and then tie a knot right up at the top. Now my flowers and water ornament is complete. So I ended up making quite a few of these because I just loved the pastel girly look of them. I think they're so beautiful. I just love the frosted pink flower choice that I did, but of course you can choose your favorite flower style and color. These were super simple to make, and I just love how they look on my tree. So the next girly ornament idea that I came up with are these floral bouquets, and I was so inspired by Emily in Paris to make these. The materials you're going to need are some flowers, thick ribbon or newspaper, mini craft bows, twine, and the same tools that we used last time. When choosing flowers, I picked these because they have tiny little stems, so I can create the perfect little flower bunch. So I picked my flower bunch, I cut it off the stalk, and then I'm grabbing my thick ribbon, or you can grab your newspaper, and I'm cutting a rectangle out so I can wrap this around my flower bunch. So this is just to replicate the paper or wrapping that your flower comes in when you buy a bunch of flowers from a florist, let's say in Paris or New York, or even your hometown. But you're really just gonna play with this. It doesn't have to be perfect, and the flowers will just sit really nicely in there without even gluing them down. But you are going to want to glue your paper or your ribbon into place once you have your desired shape. And just like everything else I create, I'm finishing off this flower bunch with a bow. So I picked a pink one and I'm gluing it right over where I glued together my ribbon, just to make everything look more neat and cute. And now you can't forget that this is an ornament, so we do have to hang it up. I'm cutting off a little circle of twine and I'm putting a dot of glue at the top of my ribbon, and I'm putting the open side down, so I'm gluing each side of the twine together. So at the top it creates this really cute circle of twine. And I chose twine to hang this ornament because I think it really gave it a nice rustic touch. This is the completed floral bouquet ornament. It totally reminds me of the scene in Emily in Paris where she's getting flowers on the weekend and she meets Camille for the first time. I absolutely love this, and I think it's the perfect combination of rustic and girly decor. These last ornaments are possibly the easiest ones to create, but you can have the most fun with the combinations. So they are lollipops, and the materials you're going to need to create them are some Q-tips, mini craft bows, mini ornaments any color of your choice, clear plastic string, and the same tools we've been using all along. So to begin, you're going to choose your ornament bow color combination, and then you're going to remove the top of your ornament. And now on one side of your Q-tip, you're going to add a lot of hot glue to it. And while it's still wet, you're going to stick that side into the ornament and glue it to the top inside of it. You definitely want to make sure this is super secure because we don't want the stick falling out of the lollipop. And now I'm just grabbing my scissors and cutting off the fuzzy part of the Q-tip to create this really nice lollipop stick. And then I'm finishing this off with a bow, so I'm going to put a dot of hot glue at the base of my lollipop and glue down my bow of choice. So now to hang my ornament, I'm taking my clear plastic string and I'm cutting a piece of it and then tying it into a little knot. So we have a knot at the bottom and then this nice circle detailing. And then I'm taking my hot glue gun, and you want to find the very, very top of your lollipop. Put a dot of hot glue and then place the knot side down into the hot glue. And there you have it. There's your lollipop ornaments. These are absolutely adorable. As you can see, I made a couple different color combinations. You can really turn your Christmas tree into the land of sweets with all of these lollipops. And of course, they're so easy to make and so quick, so you can really churn out a bunch in a short amount of time. So those are all of my DIY girly ornament ideas. I think these are all super cute, and I just wanted to show you guys me decorating my tree because this is the first year that I have a full-size 7-foot Christmas tree all to myself in my room. I really decorated it with a lot of girly and shabby chic ornaments, and I think these DIY ones, they mixed in perfectly well with all of the ones that I got vintage from my grandpa, as well as other ornaments that I've collected throughout the years. I went with a white Christmas tree because I couldn't find pink, and honestly, I think the white really complements my mostly pink ornament choices. But yeah, I hope this gave you a little inspo if you are still decorating your tree. So I hope you all enjoyed that video. I want you guys to comment down below which ornament is your favorite out of all of the three. I think mine is definitely the flowers and water. I think it's so gorgeous and it looks so beautiful on my tree. I also want you guys to use the hashtag chloescozychristmas if you recreate any of these ornament ideas and tag me at Beauty by Chloe. I'm Beauty by Chloe on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok and Pinterest. I'm so excited to see if you guys do any of these. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below and click the bell to be notified each time that I upload. And with that, I hope you all have an amazing day and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!